Hello everyone, welcome to you in this video about learning Microsoft Office Word Part 8. In this part, we will continue to learn the basic task in the Word Microsoft course. Now you will learn how to first writing a plain text, then formatting your text, then check your spelling and grammar. After that, how to insert shapes, then add it to board and shading in Word. And after that, view document, then save your document. The final, export your document. First, you write your text as a plain text. Now you finish first item. Second item, you want to format your text. What I mean with format, I give you already in a previous part how to format your text. First, I take this headline. I will do the font size, which is 16. The second headline, I will do it as 14. Now, this headline, I will do it as 14 font size. The other text, which is, I mean by this, I select it first and view it as 12 font size. Then, if I want to choose any font type, I can do it from this group in the Home tab, font. First, I select the headline, then I choose Times New Roman. I will change the color. I will take this color and bold, also underline, part 8, and the other one bold and underline, and choose the green. Okay, after that I take each one from these and make it bold, selected and bold. Okay, let's say we will do the formatting of this text. Actually, uh, sometimes if you write essay or some book, there is a standard formatting to do with your essay or your text. Now, we will finish writing and finish formatting the text. Now I will check the spelling and the grammar. I will go to tab review, then to click in the proving, to click spelling and the grammar. Here in this small window, it say, we are finished checking your selection. Want to check the rest of? I said, oh, yes. He said, the answer spelling and the grammar check complete. You are good to go. So it's okay. I click the okay. I will finish spelling and the grammar. Now, if I want to insert some shapes, like I want to insert a shapes from tab insert shapes, click this small triangular, and I want to use this one. I want to use this one and I want to put it here. As you see, I drag it. can make it bigger. I can check the and change the color of this shape as right click from this menu. I click format shape. I take full sulfur. I want to change the color to, if I want to use this one, this light green. Okay, I can change it. Okay, I close this one. I can also change the line if I want solid line. I can change the color to this one. Even I can make many changes from this formatting shape. I now will close it. This is how to insert a shape in your document from insert shapes and choose any shape you want. Okay, if I want to put a text, I will take this one in the insert text box, draw a text box, and I will put the text box here, and I write good luck. I will go to home, put it in the center. I can make it as bold. Okay, I will this one, and even this I can do formatting about it. I can make any I can change the font. I can do anything like this. Okay, there, click this one, and after I insert the shape I wanted, I want to add the board and shading in the Word document. I go to home border, home, this is border, click this one. I want to make outside border. First, what I do first, I select the text, then home, border, all border. I don't like this. I want outside border. As you see, this is the border for just this paragraph. If I want to do another type of border, I can go to home, border, click this small rectangle and go to border and shading. I want to make page border for the whole document. Here I choose the style. I want to choose, I like to choose this one. Even I can choose this green color. Also, I can change the width of the border. Okay, I will apply this border to the whole document. I said yes. As you see, this border, the green one, apply to the whole document. Let's continue. So We added the border. Now I want to view the document in the Word. I go to tab View. I want to the group views. If I want it to in the read mode, I click this one. It will be like this. I can go from here or here. I want to go back to the print mode. Click here. Okay, so in the views from tab view, read mode, which we show it to you, then the print layout, which is right now. If I want to web layout, this is the web layout as a web layout. Okay, I want to return to print layout, click here. Then if I want as a outline, this is the outline. Also, I return to the print layout. Okay, a view. If I want as a draft, this is the draft. This is as a draft. Okay, I want to return to the print layout. Now I change everything I want. I finish my change. I do all the item I wanted, which is writing, formatting the text, spelling, and the grammar, insert shape, added words and shading, view document. If I want to save the document, file, save, it's already saved. If I want, I can save it as a save as and choose in a second one. I can choose a folder or from this or browse to another folder. Now I return to the document. If I want to export the document, I go to File, Export. I can create from this. If I click this button, I will create a PDF document. You know it. What is PDF document? Or XPS, which is a software for viewing document and making change and note about it. Or this XPS from Microsoft company, and the PDF is from another company, which is a popular uh, type of document. I can change the file type and choose anyone from this is the previous type, which is 97 to 2003 or anyone. Okay, after I export the document in the type I wanted, okay, it's I finish all my item. So this is I can say it is the final part of the Microsoft Office Word course. I hope you enjoy this course, and I hope you will learn many things about writing your text in the using Microsoft Office Word. If there is anything you want to know else, please just say, and I am happy to do it for you. Thank you, and I hope you good luck in your futures. Okay, goodbye.